Hey Pennsylvania patients, it's me again, Medical Mary, and this time we're going to talk about what you do when your grinder is stuck. So, you're going to have to soak it in some alcohol, take off the top, drop it right in, then you want to take this one. It gets real caked up in here, so all of this has to be soaked. Let it stay in there for about a half an hour. Okay, now that it's sat for a little while, we're going to take these out of here and rinse them off. And now it goes real nice and easy. Now, this alcohol isn't completely bad. I would say you can probably use this until it gets a lot dirtier. So you can just pour this right back in your container and save it.